What's up, sisters? Well, I'm back with another video. Looky. Got me another mystery box from Wibargain. The last one was a Target. This one is a Walmart. Clothes. Looking. Here we got it. And it's packed all the way, like it's bulging at the top. Let's be careful. Close this knob. Last time I wasn't talking loud enough. I'm talking loud enough now. Bring this back some. It's got a little stain on this. First thing we got is this large. It says it's called Big Chill. It's a medium. Tag still on it. Just say size medium, ain't got the price or whatever. But it's a long jacket. Long jacket with the hood. Called Big Chill. Size medium. Somebody can take that. Alright. We got a sports bra. Still not my size. Well, it's a large. Sports bra. Don't have a price on the crossback, black and white. Got some women's. These are like garters. Excuse the cats. Y'all move. Do not knock over my video. You better not knock it over. Abel. Get on. These are $6.99. $6.96. They're like the tights that you put on under your dress or something. You know what I'm saying? Got some more undies. These are undies. Size small. Oh my gosh, these cats. Get down. Get down. Cats all in the video, you know what I'm saying? Y'all got to excuse. Y'all got to excuse. Small undies. Undies, thong. I'm about to go a little faster here. Oh, wait, it might be my size. It's a black. It just says extra large, but it's a bra. Regular backs. So sleeping pants. They soft. Wow. This is an extra large 40 to 42. So you know these are some men's. But they got the numbers in there. Men extra large black and white pants. What we got here? This is a little boy's shirt. Garanda Mills. It's a 4T. Got a nephew that can fit that. Yes, I do. Just sound like that cat said no. Got a pack of extra large size 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 6 of them in there. Brief women's undies. Alright. Got another black bra. Size 38B. Don't have no price on it. Don't have no price on it. regular back. We have another 3X. I guess size 13 is on the 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on there, hipsters, women underwear. No, you can't get it. My cat's trying to grab it. It's like that in the back. No, mine. We got the women's little footies that you can put on your work shoes or thin socks, so you won't have those thin. These cats. All that shaking, that's the cats. I got my phone and the camera propped up on a tree, on a cat tower. So this is a plain white Hanes shirt. You know it's supposed to came in the pack, but it's only a single one. Men's, size small. My kids can fit that. And look like they put a bunch of bundles. What is this? This is a bundle because it got tape all the way around it. Bundle of undies. Women's underwear. Is that a shirt? We got underwear and we got the boxer brief type things. A little bundle. I'm going to have to open this to see what it is. Does it say right here what it is? We're going to have to open it. Let's see what this is. Whatever it is, it's a pack and it was $6.97. So I can't tell. It's on the inside. Oh, it's some leggings. Oh, well, maybe. Oh, it's not leggings. It's two of them though. It's tights. Soft. You might want to put up on their dress, but it's closed toe. Stockings basically, but tights, thick. And there's two of them in there. Got some socks. Always can use some socks, right? When I just bought a lot of socks, just a pack of women's black ankle socks. Looks like we got some men's or boys undies. Yep, these are small though. You know, big monkeys. Oh, they're medium. Like my nephew. So you know it's something when your cats know how to turn your gaming system on. They're trying to say turn TV on. They trying to play the game. Sorry for all that shaking. Looks like we have an all white women's. I can't tell if it's men or women, but they got tape all on it. It's a women's plain white t-shirt, extra large. Got some tag on the inside. No price. Got something for the men. We got they're large. 36 to 38. Men undies. It's only two of them in the pack. It was a 3-pack. It was only 2 in them, so you know that's why they put it in here. My husband fit that. Another pack. Oh well, maybe this is the missing pack right here. The pack was just open. Men underwear. Look what this is. Everything got tape on it. Ugh. Women's undies. Red, got a little print on it. More women's undies. Must have been a pack somewhere opened. All these are a size small, size 5. Who they go fit? Got a little pack a pack of little girl socks. Can you get out my camp? Can you get out the camera, please, sir? Thank you. Little girl sock. It's only one. This is like this might be some more of those tights, but I don't know if it's closed toe or open. These are open. So all black tights. They was $9.96. And they're tights. They were open. I like them. Some more women's undies. These clearance start at $5.98. It's a 3-pack. See if I can see what size it is. Yeah. These are, I like it. It's nice. Peek up in there. Well, I'm going to take these off because I already know I can feel these. I'm going to keep these. What size is it? They're extra large. It's women undies. You got the black polka dot at the top on that one. A pair of just all gray ones, just exactly the same, and all blue ones exactly the same. You got a glove set. Let me get that off the floor for the cats. I think it's their toy. And we got Herbalife. I didn't know organic cotton. Just learned something today. Did not know that they can be organic clothes. I ain't gonna tell nobody else. This is the last. I forgot what my thing is on. This is cute. I do got a little nephew. It's a 3-piece, size 3 to 6 months. He said, it says, all I need is a bear hug. It says it's a 3-piece, but there's only 2 pieces here. All I need is a bear hug. Comes with the little pants, onesies. Last thing is some face masks. Which we can, I think these are little kids. They're probably little kids. It's a yellow one. Nope. It can't be mine. A yellow one and a pink one. Face mask. Alright. This is the Target Wibargain. Let me get y'all the cards so y'all can go check them out. So where you go? Get y'all a master box. This one was see that in the last video I kept saying that I paid $39, I paid $35. Free shipping, just flat rate $35. Same with this one. Only difference is the last one was Target, this one was Walmart. So we got 1, 2. And you hear cats arguing in the background. Got a lot of stuff. Y'all seen it. Y'all can go back and count it. A lot of stuff I can use this time. See, the last one, what I got on there, a pair of pants up out of there. Got a family reunion coming up this weekend, April 5th, whatever the Saturday is. Today is, what's today, y'all? Today is March 30th, 2021. So this Saturday. And a lot of this can go in a little mystery box. I'm gonna make mystery boxes. I get mystery boxes, I'll be making mystery boxes for everybody at the family reunion. That'd be fun. Keep going out of camera because the cat's just playing with the stuff we just got. I mean, this is full to the brim, this one here. And then this big old long jacket. Alright, stars. Till next time. I'm trying to figure out what's another company to try. You know, if you know, leave me a comment of some other people to try. Wibargain. Yes. The next downstairs, we out.